Do you want to know when it's best to hit or stand to improve your chances of winning?
Teach me.
Well, I'm here to explain just that. Hey Internet, it's your old friend Dominic here from AmericanCasinoGuide.com. So what is basic strategy? Well, simply put, it's a set of guidelines that determines the best play in every situation based on mathematical probability. And although this may sound a bit complicated, don't worry because I got your back. So this chart right here tells you what to do based on the cards that you have and the dealer's up card. Whether it be hit, stand, split, or double down,
dodge, duck, dip, dive, and dodge.
Simply follow the guide and you should be able to maximize your chances of winning and minimizing that pesky house edge. In standard blackjack, the house edge is around 2%, but when using basic strategy, and of course without making any mistakes, this drops down to 0.5%. So let's go ahead and dive a little deeper and ask ourselves, when do we hit and when do we stand? First, you're gonna need to understand the concept of soft and hard hands. Soft hands refer to any combination of cards, including an ace, which of course will be worth either 1 or 11 points. So for example, an ace and a 2 can be read variably as either 3 or 13 points. Inversely, any other card combination without an ace is read at its standard value, meaning the score is fixed and your hand is considered hard, like a 7 and 8, where they would amount to 15 points exactly.
No more, no less.
And speaking of ways on how to improve your blackjack strategy, make sure to visit our website, AmericanCasinoGuide.com, where you'll find more tips and tricks about the game. So my golden rule for when to hit or stand is only take a hit when there's no risk of going bust with the addition of another card. So for example, I always take a hit if I have a hard 8 or lower, or even a soft 17 or lower, as there's no risk of busting since no card will take me over 21. And I'll also double down in any situation where I have a 9, 10, or 11. For any other cases, standing is the most recommended action, as the odds of drawing a number that will improve your score goes down dramatically. To know what to do, you need to check the dealer's card and evaluate if the risk is worth it. For example, in cases where you land a soft 18, standing is also ideal unless the dealer is showing a strong up card like a 9, 10, or ace. As for a soft 19 or more, it's already a very strong hand as is, and the chances of improving your hand with a hit is extremely low. In the end, everything comes down to mathematics, probability, and of course, a lot of luck.
A lot of it.
So beware of the risks and be sure to play responsibly. So that brings us to my question of the day. Are you crazy enough to hit a hard 17? I did once and I still regret it. Let us know in the comments section down below. And while you're at it, clickety-clack that like button and pound that big red subscribe button if you haven't already. My name's Dominic, wishing you luck and reminding you as always, play responsibly.